Welcome back to our super simple Christmas card series, a series designed to show you 10 different super simple, super quick Christmas cards to make in less than 5 minutes. The majority of these cards actually only take 2 or 3 minutes to make. If you're making them in bulk, even faster. So I think they're really fun. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple Christmas tree card. Let's take a look. So for our super simple Christmas card or Christmas tree card, we're going to use a purple card as a backing, but any colour will do. Choose what you've got. You'll need a slightly bigger scrap piece of green and lots of different coloured smaller scraps, a hole punch, glue and scissors. So the first thing you need to do is create your Christmas tree. I want it to go probably pretty much not quite to the top, to about just below. So I'm going to just cut a triangle straight as I can. Here we go. Perfect. That looks nice. And then I'm going to cut another triangle, square, not triangle, to go at the bottom as the tree trunk. We can stick those down already because then we don't have everything falling around. And then we need to decorate the tree. Now, decorating the tree is super fun. You can do it whatever way you want. I'm going to do it using little bits of hole punched paper, so it's like confetti. I love using homemade confetti. So thrifty, so fun, and it looks really cute. But you can also just use pens. You can use glitter, glitter pens, anything you wish. So I love this simple shape. Take my hole punch. This is probably the bit that's going to take the longest. So even though I say these are all 5-minute cards, they are, but maybe this bit does take a bit longer. But if you're doing these en masse, you can just hole punch lots in one go. Or if you've got a bigger hole punch, you can use that as well. It doesn't have to be such a small one or just a normal one. Just work with what you've got at home and yeah, experiment, have fun. Love using up paper scraps this way. As mentioned in some of my other videos, I've got a new book out called Paper Projects for Kids. I actually have a bookmark which is made entirely out of confetti like this. I really think it's cute and it's such a thrifty, quirky little craft. So it's really good to keep your paper scraps because you can always use it again for crafting on another project. So we always keep our scraps. In fact, those eagle eyes amongst you will have seen that that bit of orange I just used, we also used for our penguin, and that this bit of red I just used, I also used for our elf card. So really it's all about making the most out of what you've got already. And now comes the slightly fiddly bit. I'm going to just spend probably a minute sticking on my confetti. That might be a bit boring, but I think it's super cute. Like I said, if you want to speed it up and make this an even faster Christmas tree craft, you can, for example, use a hole punch, which is this size, and add really nice big baubles, which I think would look super cute as well. And that's it, really. That's how you make a Christmas tree greeting card. And what I love about this series is that all these cards take less than 5 minutes to make. In fact, if you have a production line going, you can probably make each card in about 2 minutes. So if you like to make cards, say, for the whole class, or if you've got a lot to send to relatives, this is a really good series to take a look at and have a go. And really cheap, because I'm just using plain colours, really, basic colours, to make these cards. So cute. The other thing I've also been sharing, whilst I do this, is I'll show you at the end. I have a new, the new Paper Projects book. So in it, for example, I've got these little gift bags you can make out of paper. They're really easy. And you can then decorate them like a Santa Claus or like a snowman. And if you're watching how to make these cards and you really like the designs, these designs are perfect to adapt to those little gift bags. So not only are you making a nice card today, you're also learning the technique that you can use to then make gift bags using my book. Anyway, there we go. The Christmas tree card is finished. Keep that for confetti. Oh yes, and I'll show you the book. So here's the book, Easy Paper Projects. Look, you see some confetti there as well. We really like that. And the craft I was talking about is at the back. Here we go. Look at that. The little gift bags. Now these are quite small. You can see my hand there. But the technique is so easy that you use any paper, or you can use gift wrap. It doesn't really matter. And you can make a gift bag of any size and for any shape really quickly and easily. Then come back, check out all my greeting cards that I've been sharing in this special mini series, and adapt those to decorate the gift bags with them. So anyway, if you like this card, don't forget to come back, check out the other cards we've got here on Redhead Art, and keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.